Best flat mop with bucket. Number 5. UP Karnawale Green Flat Mop and Bucket Set Mop. Approx price 1299 rupees. Mop pad fully compatible. No chemical cleaning. Extendable and double lock system handle. Improved high quality floor mop. Idle Worsley floor mop. Number 4. Tiles Palace Smart ABS Flat Mop. Approx price 1799 rupees. Material ABS plastic. Size 36 cm by 21.5 cm by 18.5 cm. Made in India. Number 3. Fresh Home Power Clean Bucket Mop. Approx price 909 rupees. Hands-free rinsing and mopping. 360-degree mop head. Washable microfiber ideal to attract all kinds of dirt. Number 2. Logo Flat Mop Squeezo with 3XL MOPHEAD. Approx price 1424 rupees. Environment friendly compact single bucket design. Unique Squeezo technology. Through 60% lower water consumption. 3XL rectangular mopping pad. Cleans vertically too. Special attention for cleaning corners. Tufted microfiber carpet life. Number 1. UPC hands-free Squeezo microfiber flat spin mop. Approx price 1499 rupees. Most advanced technology. Twist and turn 360 degree. Upgrade 2-in-1 dry and wet hands free squeeze. Advanced self squeeze technology. Hands free washing and keep your hands from dirt. Reusable microfiber pads. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.